Where Hitachi innovates is it's really this combination of storage, integration, analysis, insights derived from customer data, and we think that that aligns really well with all of the trends, all of the forces in terms of Industry 4.0, Manufacturing 4.0. So, we think the timing's really right for us to be working together.
I think this was a great opportunity for us as Hitachi to see and to really interact. It's much better to have this kind of a tight-knit show rather than attending a giant conference with 30,000 people where it's almost random who you're going to meet or who you're going to interact with. I think we have a much tighter opportunity to meet customers. We have much more focus on who's actually going to attend. This is the right audience for us to be talking to be learning about where they are in the market, where they are in their maturity, and to be trying to build out the right solutions for them.
Hitachi's understanding of manufacturing space sets them apart. There are many vendors out there, but I think Hitachi has many more years of experience, as well as being a manufacturer themselves. They bring the kind of depth that is necessary for them to be the thought leader as well as be a consultant. So I think that clearly sets them apart.
There are several companies here that I've talked to around being partners. We have SI partners here, we have connectivity partners here, we have capabilities around some of the service providers that may actually be ecosystem partners that'll deliver solutions that are adjacent to us. So I think there's a lot of partnership opportunities. There's definitely a very rich opportunity around customers. And they've seen the solutions, they've seen our innovation, and I think that's sparked imagination in how our customers can perceive Hitachi as a company.
Yesterday I was here for Hitachi's keynote and the panel discussion afterwards, and I thought that the insights shared in terms of how you combine data analysis and processing for customers with 5G connectivity was a really interesting discussion. I think there are a lot of manufacturers out there that are thinking about this right now, and so it's a very, very relevant topic. And I was really excited to get a chance to learn some new things from that discussion.
The panel went great. We had a lot of coverage around data operations, how Hitachi leverages data and moves it from the edge to the cloud, a lot of the analytics and the solutions that we build on top of that, and how we can really drive customer outcomes.
It's been really great working with the Hitachi team. They've been very good partners, very good collaborators, really willing to try different approaches, try different things. And I think that the partnership is continuing to grow stronger and stronger week by week, and we look forward to a lot of shared success with Hitachi over the next couple of years.